Sa sobrang pagod po ni VP, marahil doon talaga nag-uugat yung ibang mga sinasabi niya. And again, also, I express concurrence sa sinabi ni Atty. Lambino na wala namang illegal, no, doon sa kanyang mga sinabi. Pero ang palagay ko lang po, no, kailangan natin pumili. Depende yan sa panlasa ng nanonood, no? Ano bang gusto natin? Yung a leader who expresses everything or a leader who expresses nothing? What I think we have in VP Sara is someone who's just expressing everything. Kasi po, wala naman siyang, she is stripped of her other powers, no? I think everyone acknowledges that, no? Mula budget hanggang sa media, hindi naman laging kino-cover ang mga statements niya unless she expresses something as seemingly outrageous as this one. Wala naman nagko-cover sa kanya. Ako po, nagtanong sa pamilya ko. And in that echo chamber, wala silang alam na may nagaganap na ganito. No? Sa atin, maalingaw-ngaw. So, in order to get the ears of the Filipino people, she has to express everything and for her own safety. On the other hand, we have leaders who express nothing. And as a matter of fact, may mga pumapasa-pasa pa kuminsan ng mga batas at mga budget na hindi lang unexpressed but I think are concealed. So mamili na lang po tayo kung gusto natin ng leader who expresses everything or a leader who expresses nothing. But she is definitely very tired. Kailangan siguro niya makapagpahinga ng konti. But I think at the essence, she means what she says.